Hello, my name is Alison Trumble. I'm here with Automation Alley, and I am the Technology Relationship Manager. So today I'm here with Oliver Theiss, Chief Revenue Officer of Andonix, and we're really going to dive into their perspective on the future in terms of Industry 4.0, manufacturing, into their defining moments and their impact on manufacturing in Michigan in general. So hello, Oliver, nice to see you.
Hi, Alison. Nice to see you too. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So let's start at the beginning. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me about Andonix. How did you get involved? What do you guys do?
Yeah, well, thank you so much. Let me start with Andonix actually. Andonix is a Detroit-based industry 4.0 software technology firm, and we really have, broadly speaking, two missions. One is to help our clients produce more, a lot more, with the assets and resources that they already have. And the way to do that is basically by squeezing the most out of your machines and your productive workforce, minimizing downtime, minimizing scrap, maximizing your overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, and then help your productive workforce to scale up to new levels of efficiency. And the other distinction and broadly mission that we have is we call it make manufacturing sexy again. And what that means is basically help our current manufacturing base in Michigan, as well as broadly in the United States, to attract a whole new generation of people to the manufacturing sector.
What would you say is unique about your solution, and how is it disrupting, I'd say, the marketplace, but manufacturing?
Yeah, thank you for that segue. So what we created was a technology that's called broadly as a connected worker platform. The concept in itself is really quite new and hardly mainstream. When people think of Industry 4.0, I think for the most part, we will gravitate towards automation, factory modeling, digital twins, 3D printing, etc. But that is mostly technology that is designed to eliminate or at least lessen involvement of frontline workers in the manufacturing process. And for a high degree, it is only available for companies that have significant budgets to deploy. By contrast, a connected worker platform parts from the idea that manufacturing workers are actually essential part of manufacturing. And in order to solve some of the biggest labor-related problems in our industry today, workers need to have really ability to access on-demand training programs, step-by-step guidance, enhanced with videos and pictures, and to access knowledge that is usually trapped within the documentation of the quality system.
How can companies connect these legacy systems that they're working with new Industry 4.0 software solutions? And do you see these examples a lot?
That's a great question, Alison. So the way to really do this effectively is through cloud-ready, Internet of Things ready sensors. These are very cost-effective nowadays, thanks to the evolution of just development and the speed of adoption. And what these sensors can do is they can be attached and retrofitted to basically any kind of machine, so that the sensor can detect really any kind of signal, and that signal is sent to the cloud, from which then the signal can be picked up and analyzed by a specialized software to provide basically real-time analytics and performance of that machine. Now that is a really powerful concept because it allows companies with pretty much any budget in any kind of machine to upgrade and jumpstart the process from what would for many be Industry 2.0 to basically Industry 4.0. And you don't have to buy new PLCs or upgrade to machines that can be extremely expensive. Excuse me. Now, what we wanted to do as Andonix was to really empower small, medium, and large-size organizations to fast-track that transition effort. Some of that software to detect or to analyze the data that those sensors can send is customized or is very hard to come by. And so what we were able to do through a lot of development work on our end was to take signals from those sensors, and Smart Workstation is able to process those signals. And when there's an anomaly in the data that those sensors are reporting, an Andon alert can be automatically sent to the right individuals in the organization. And so what companies can basically now do with this is to fast track the detection or automate detection of a machine downtime, a slowdown in cycles, when a process goes out of its parameters, you name it. It's extremely powerful because this allows you to quickly react and contain any issues, and you're maximizing productivity.